How to transfer Solana from Bitget to Phantom Wallet. Just head over to Assets, make sure you have an account on Bitget, click on Withdraw, click on On-Chain Withdrawal. Once you've done that, go ahead and select the cryptocurrency you want to send, which in this case is Solana. So click on Solana here, and it's going to open up this screen. All you need to do once the menu to enter your personal details, being your wallet address, opens up, go ahead and provide the wallet address and the network. The network we're going to be sending on is the Solana network. So that has already been selected. You can see the minimum amount to send as well as the option to add an address. So we're going to be minimizing and opening up the Phantom wallet. So open up Phantom, and then where we have your first trade, go ahead and click on Solana here. And where we have the option to buy, click on receive instead and copy the address. Now just simply head over to Bitget and then paste that address here and then enter the amount you want to send and just hit withdraw once you're done. Alright guys, that's how it works.